Hello rail fans, and welcome to another French Fried Trains Minecraft train tutorial. Today, we're going to be building this CSX coal hopper. And this is what it looks like, so let's get right into it here. The first step is going to be to take a dark oak stair to be the coupler and get it connected up. Underneath that, we're going to put a dark oak fence gate for the air hose. Then, on the next block back, we need to get netherite on each rail for the wheels, with an end rod in between them to be the axle. Then, we're going to make a back-to-back T-shape pattern with upside down nether brick stairs. Behind that, another set of netherite wheels with an end rod axle. Then we're going to take out a polished blackstone block, and we're going to run 4 of them across the middle of the truck here. Then we're going to take a polished blackstone stair and we're going to get it upside down in a back-to-back T-shape pattern, coming 5 across the rails, directly in front of these wheels. This will be the first unloading bay. On top of that, we'll continue this middle beam down, leave a block of space, and put 2 more to mount the next unloading bay to. So same thing on this end, an upside down polished blackstone stair and a back-to-back T-shape pattern that comes 5 across the rails. Then we'll do the next unloading bay, so come 3 off that middle again with polished blackstone block, and underneath it another set of upside down back-to-back polished blackstone stairs, 5 across the rails. And then 1 more to go, so 3 more blocks up here, and another set of upside down blackstone stairs back to back, 5 across the rails. That will be our last unloading bay, so now we'll work on the other truck. So come down here on this end, get a block of netherite on each rail with an end rod axle, then upside down back to back nether brick stairs, coming 3 across the rails, then another set of netherite wheels with an end rod axle. Then extend the center blocks down to the end here. Then we're going to put a hopper on the outside of the truck in front of each wheel. And I'm going to come in and take out a dark oak fence and put fences in front of the stairs. Same thing here, fences in front of the stairs, hoppers in front of the wheels. And same thing here. And over on this side. Then, we're going to go ahead and come on top of here with a polished blackstone block. Start at this interior wheel here and put a block above it. And then we're going to drag this down to the interior wheel on the other end. Stop right above that wheel. Then we'll do the same thing on this side, going from the interior wheel over to this interior wheel. Then come on this outside edge above the wheel with a polished blackstone block and start alternating a block with a gap of space all the way down to the wheel on this end. We'll do the same thing over here, so a block here, and just keep alternating with a block of space. Then we're going to take out a polished blackstone slab here. We'll extend it down over to this wheel here, and then 1 on the inside so it connects up with that middle bar. Same thing like this, and we'll go do the same thing down on the other end. So extend these out and fill in the middle. Then we'll spin around with a dark oak stair and get it stacked up here so there's a coupler on this end. Delete the ones we used for placement, and we'll put a dark oak fence gate under it to be the air hose. Come on the sides here with polished blackstone block and extend these first ones on each side up by 3. We'll do the same thing down on the other end. So extend that up by 3, and then that one up by 3. Then we'll fill in the bottom middle 3 on each side here. Then we're going to switch to polished blackstone stairs, and on this second block up, a row of upside down stairs facing the end of the car. Same thing down here, a row of upside down stairs here. Then above that, we're going to put a polished blackstone wall on each side, and then another row of upside down stairs facing the end of the car. And we'll come do the same thing down here. So a polished blackstone wall on each side and another row of upside down stairs. Then on top we put a polished blackstone block in the corner, extend it out one, and come across the end of the car. And then one right here. Do the same thing over here. So one coming out, extend it out one, bring it across, and put one right here. Then we'll go ahead and raise these up and raise these up. And we can go ahead and raise all of these blackstone blocks up to the same height here. We'll do the same thing on this side of the car. Then we're going to take out polished blackstone wall and fill in all of these gaps between the blocks with polished blackstone wall up and down both sides of the car. Then on top, we're going to go all the way around the top with polished blackstone slab. So come across here and come all the way down this side of the car. And then when we get down here, just bring it right across. Now we'll go ahead and work on the inside of the car in case you want to have it empty. So come on up and over here with polished blackstone stairs. And the first step is going to be to fill in this middle 3 with stairs, going all the way up here so it's nice and angled. We'll do the same thing down on this end. So fill all that in with stairs. Then down here in bottom, we're going to skip a block and we're going to put 2 rows of 3 polished blackstone. Same thing there, skip a block from the end and 2 rows of blackstone. Here we put 2 rows of stairs facing this way, turn around and 2 rows of stairs facing this way. Same thing on this one, 2 rows facing this way and 2 rows facing this way. So it has these nice dividers to funnel the coal to the bottom. Now come on the right hand side of the car here, and 1 block down from the top, we're going to knock out 3 of the blackstone blocks and replace them with yellow concrete for the lettering. Then we'll come do that over here. So same thing on the right hand side of the car. We knock out these 3 blocks and put yellow concrete in there. If you wanted a more faded look, you could also use gold. Now come on the right bottom of the car with an oak sign. Put 1 here. We're going to skip a block and put another sign here. Next to that, a dark oak sign. Then we're going to come over here. We're going to put 2 oak signs up here and 1 down there. Then we're going to take out an oak button and fill these gaps with oak buttons. We'll do that exact same thing on the other side. Now we're going to come around on these ends and we're actually going to raise all this up by 1 slab so that it's 1 block tall. So go ahead and just fill all this in with another layer of slabs. And then we'll do the same thing down on this other end here. So fill all this in with another layer of slabs. Then we're going to take out nether brick fence. We're going to make a 2x2 coming all the way up here till it connects. And then 2 right in there. Same thing here, a 2x2 coming all the way up. And then 2 in there. And we gotta do that on this end as well. So we'll have 2 on this side, coming all the way up by 2 on the ends. Now come down on one end here with a grindstone to be our air reservoir. Put 2 grindstones in there for the reservoir, and then we're going to take a jungle trap door and close it right here for the handbrake wheel. Now the car could be complete here if we want it empty, but I'm going to show you how to make it full too. So take out a block of coal, and we'll come on top here. We'll delete this row of stairs here, and we'll just start filling everything in with coal. And actually, I made it too low here. You want to do this 1 block up. And so I did the same thing over here before I realized my mistake. The coal's gonna be 1 more block higher, so I put another layer here. And these are usually filled by a coal tipple or a coal dumper, so they have this nice shape. So then we're going to come 1 in on the middle and put a line down the middle, stopping 1 before, so it looks kind of like the coal was angled. And there we have it, folks. We've completed this CSX coal hopper. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there.